Welcome. In this video we are going to learn Dmitry, information gathering tool on Linux. Dmitry stands for Deep Magic Information Gathering Tool. It's a Unix or Linux command line application coded in C. Dmitry has the ability to gather as much information as possible about a host. Base functionality is able to gather possible subdomains, email addresses, uptime information, TCP port scan, whois lookups, and more. Following is a list of current features: an open source project, perform an internet number whois lookup, retrieve possible uptime data, system and server data, perform a subdomain search on a target host, perform an email address search on a target host, perform a TCP port scan on the host target, a modular program allowing user-specified modules. Let's open up application, information gathering, Dmitry. Here we can see that the different option -O to save output, -I to perform whois lookup on IP address of the host, -W to do whois lookup on the domain name of the host, -N to retrieve netcraft.com information on a host, -S perform a search for possible subdomains, -E perform a search for possible email address, -P perform a TCP port scan on a host, and so on. Just read it, you will get it. Now let's try with Dmitry tool option. Let's open up another terminal and type Dmitry space -O space google.com. After typing Dmitry -O google.com, it will give out some results. It is saying retrieving netcraft.com information for google.com. Please to wait. You can see the information, it has already connected. Send C, net name, and net num. It will take time. It is saying gather subdomain information for google.com. Searching google.com for 80. Let me fast forward this, it will take time. Here I'm just fast forwarding the video. It found nothing, that is 0 possible subdomains. Gathered email information for google.com, nothing. Now it's going for gather TCP port information for 172.217.262.06. It has got 80 TCP port open. Basically got nothing. So let me give one more try. By using different option, I will use Dmitry -I google.com and press enter. We got some information for -I. Let me check out what all we got. Got some website. Not that useful. Let me try some other option, that is -W to perform whois lookup on domain name of a host. I hope we get some information here. Yeah, we got some little information here. The registrar is Mark Monitor Incorporate and some DNS servers. You can see these are all the options. We have to try one after the other to get what all information we can retrieve using this Dmitry tool. Now I will use -F to perform TCP port scan, showing all the ports filtered and so on. So that's all. It will show filtered or unfiltered or open. So this much useful is this tool. Just use all the options to obtain information regarding the host like I did for different domain, different output, and you'll get to learn different things about the domain. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.